Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my student, this afternoon? Okay, my student, let's pray to our God based on our religion. Well, my students, today we will learn about the formal invitation, especially about speaking. In this learn, we will learn about the definition of invitations, the purpose of invitations, and generic structure and language feature, and then type of invitation.
Conversation about an invitation.
Hey, did you hear about Monica's party this Sunday?
I've heard about it, but I'm still waiting for my invitation.
Really? I got mine from her this morning.
I'm guessing that she's going to give me my invitation today or tomorrow.
You're probably right. Do you intend on going to the party?
I want to. I heard it's going to be really fun.
I know, it does sound pretty awesome.
Well, when does the party start?
It starts at 7 o'clock.
How many invitations has she given out?
I really don't know, but I don't think she gave out that many yet.
I'm planning on going, but I really need her to give me my invitation.
Well, my students, I'll divide you into some pair and then listen to the audio, and don't forget to write down the formal invitation of expressions.
Hi, friend. I am going to have a birthday party tonight. Would you like to come? Sure, I will come. What time? At 7 p.m. at my house.
I am going to have a birthday party tonight. Would you like to come?
Accepting. I'd love to. I'd love to. I like that.
Let's go to the Jakarta Fair. I hope I will come to my party. Please try to come. Would you like to come to my house? Would you like to join?
Repeat after me. Mine, mine, downtown, downtown. Anyway, anyway. Performance, performance. Pick you up, pick you up.
Mine, downtown. Sure, fine. Anyway, closes. Performance.
Tonight, Empire showing romantic movies. Pay meet.
Drilling the dialogue below. Dialogue 1. Bobby, what will you do tomorrow morning? Not much. What do you have in mind? have in mind. The Surabaya Fair is going on downtown.
Number 1. Why does Linda Smith invite his friends? Answer. Celebrating her graduation.
If you don't have any question about our lesson today, who wanted to try make a conclusion of our lesson?
From our lesson today, I can understand about spoken formal invitation with its expression accepting and refusing.
From our lesson today, we can conclude about the formal invitations, especially about spoken formal invitations with its expressions accepting and refusing. Because the time is up, we finish our lesson today. Don't forget to read your next material at home, and don't forget to do your homework well. Keep our body health from coronavirus 19. Wear masks, wash your hand with soap, keep social distances. We close our lesson today by saying Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you for the next time.
I'm going for a film show tonight.
Which cinema are you going to?
I am going to Empire 21 Cinema.
What movies is showing there?
It's a romantic comedy movie. I like to see romantic comedy movies.
I like sci movies too.
Do you want to see the movie with me?
But I have not any money.
Don't worry about that. I will pay for everything.
That's very kind of you, Farrell. Thanks.
You're welcome. Meet me at this place at 7 o'clock. Let's go home now.
Okay, we'll meet again at 7.